Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Record. In today's video, I'll try to discuss about the upcoming phone from the Realme, which is a Realme GT 5G smartphone. So which is also called as a Realme Race as well. So if you remember, I did a video on this Realme Race, I think 2 weeks back. And finally today, we did have the confirmation of the Realme Race is going to get launched. And very soon it's going to get launched, and with the naming of the Realme GT 5G device, as you can see. So right now in this video I'll try to discuss about the various specifications of the phone and when it's going to get launched and all the details as well. So make sure to check the links in description, friends, for more details about this live wallpapers what I'm using in my videos. And these are Realme X7 Pro device, so which I got recently hands on, and definitely as soon as the Realme Race launch, I'll try to get my hands on with the Realme Race as soon as possible. So maybe we can compare a lot of videos with this Realme X7 Pro. So let's get started, friends. With the first thing is that the Realme Race are going to have the Snapdragon 888 processor. That's a confirmed. That's as you can see, which is also called as a Realme GT 5G smartphone. So these are naming they have decided to keep, and which will be having the Realme 2.0 UI and the 12 GB of RAM and the 250 GB of storage, as you can see, friends. So by looking at this image, I'm guessing the phone would be having some kind of curved display. I'm not sure, but by looking at this kind of image, I'm kind of guessing so. So Realme is a company which didn't bring the curved display till now. So maybe they might be planning to release with the Realme Race, I think. So similar to the Realme 11, which has this kind of curved display. So maybe they are planning to do that. And with the processor, we got a confirmation Snapdragon 888 and 12 GB of RAM, and which will be having the 5G. So next with the camera. So the camera will be having the triple camera setup, and which has a 64 megapixel lens, 13 ultra wide and 13 telescope lens, and even the data has been revealing the punch hole display and the spot on, as you can see. So there is a punch hole display as well, so that means there will be a punch hole camera on the phone. That's another thing to notice. And these are the few samples of the images which got leaked. As you can see, friends, this is how the back might look. So maybe this is another option as well. So let's see, friends, there are a couple of rumors going on. Either we might get this variant or maybe this GT variant. So let's see what's going to happen. But overall, these are the few confirmation things. And finally, with the display. So display is another thing where phone might have with a 160 hertz panel. So there's another chance of having the 160 hertz. There will be a rumors of that as well. So maybe 120 hertz is for sure. So if possible, maybe we might be able to see 160 hertz as well. And obviously with the fast charging, 125 hertz, 125 watt of ultra dot fast charging, we will be seeing in this Realme Race device. So these are the few specifications, friends, about this Realme Race smartphone. So let's see again. So with the processor, we got confirmation, and camera 64 megapixel and the display 120 hertz or 160 hertz, and all of the phone is going to get launched on the March 4th. As you can see, it's going to arrive. So this will be the another competition for the Redmi K40 Pro device as well. So let's see what will be the Redmi K40 Pro specifications as well. So later we can combine both phones side by side in case if I get hands on with those two phones. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more videos. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.